What is kimchi? Also known as gimchi or kimchi. Kimchi is a traditional fermented probiotic food that serves as a staple side dish in Korean cuisine. With a history spanning hundreds of years, there are numerous recipes for kimchi. But most share common vegetables and seasonings that contribute to its distinctive flavor. Key ingredients in kimchi include napa cabbage, radish, scallion, cucumber, and red chili. Other significant components, which are considered healthy and functional foods, include garlic, ginger, and red pepper powder. Today, kimchi is regarded as Korea's national dish. On average, Koreans consume about 40 pounds of kimchi per person each year. Never tried it? If you enjoy cultured vegetables and fermented foods like sauerkraut, you'll likely love kimchi. What does kimchi taste like? It has a spicy and sour flavor due to the fermentation process, which creates live and active probiotic cultures. These cultures contribute to its benefits, such as improving digestion and boosting immune function. Kimchi is a traditional side dish and staple in Korean cuisine, made from fermented and salted vegetables. Typically kimchi cabbage and Korean radishes, along with a variety of flavorful and spicy seasonings. How long does it take to ferment kimchi? To become true kimchi, the ingredients must go through a traditional fermentation process in tightly sealed poterry jars, which can last from several days to several months. During fermentation, the flavors, textures, and health benefits of kimchi significantly develop and improve. This process is why kimchi is gaining popularity worldwide as a superfood. The fermentation of kimchi is driven by various microorganisms found in the raw ingredients, including lactic acid bacteria. Specifically, strains of Lactobacillus, Leuconostoc, and Weissella are considered the main types of probiotics produced during kimchi's fermentation process. According to the book, Regulating Safety of Traditional and Ethnic Foods, compiled by experts in food safety, nutrition, and regulatory affairs, kimchi is also regarded as a hygienically safe food, because pathogenic bacteria and contaminants are almost completely eliminated during its preparation and fermentation. A 2018 scientific review highlights several potential benefits of kimchi based on current studies. Stimulates immune function, decreases disease-causing pro-oxidants and free radicals, reduces the risk of certain cancers, possesses anti-aging properties, prevents cardiovascular disease, lowers risks associated with metabolic syndrome, improves intestinal flora. In the early 20th century, health researchers began to speculate that probiotic foods contained proteolytic microbes that operated in the colon to reduce toxic substances responsible for aging. They theorized that consuming fermented foods like kefir and yogurt, which are rich in beneficial probiotics, coats the colon with lab bacteria. This process decreases intestinal pH, suppresses harmful bacteria, and potentially slows the aging process. Kimchi, originally called ji, originated during the pre-modern era of the Three Kingdoms of Korea. The initial recipe was simple, consisting only of kimchi cabbage, using inexpensive and readily available ingredients. Although red chilies are now essential for kimchi's distinctive color and spice, they were not introduced to Korea until Europeans brought them to Asia from the Americas. Koreans first accessed red chili following the Japanese invasions of 1592 to 1598. Since then, it has become a staple ingredient not only in kimchi but in many other Korean dishes as well. As the national dish, kimchi has been a crucial part of Korean cuisine for centuries. During South Korea's involvement in the Vietnam War, the Korean government requested that Americans provide this fermented food to support their hungry and desperate troops, as it was considered vitally important to the morale of Korean troops. Kimchi's ability to kill intestinal bacteria and boost immunity made it essential for soldiers living in harsh environments with limited nutrients. This probiotic food can be categorized by its main ingredients, the regions it originates from, and the seasons. The significant temperature differences between Korea's northern and southern regions have influenced the availability of various vegetables and spices. Recipes from northern Korea typically use less salt and red chili and usually do not include brined seafood for seasoning, unlike those from southern Korea. Seasonal variations also play a role in these recipes. Over the years, fermentation became a method to preserve seasonal and abundant vegetables. Before modern refrigeration, kimchi was an effective way to prevent spoilage and extend the freshness of harvested ingredients, such as fresh vegetables and herbs in summer or nutrient-dense sweet potatoes in cooler months. Today, while specialty kimchi refrigerators with precise temperature controls are sometimes used in Korea to store different varieties optimally, many Koreans still prepare kimchi following traditional and seasonal methods. Benefits: provides probiotics that help improve digestion. While the benefits of probiotic foods like yogurt and sauerkraut are well known, don't overlook kimchi, which also contains a wealth of gut-friendly bacteria. These probiotics, responsible for kimchi's carbonation, sour taste, and pungent smell, develop during fermentation as bacterial enzymes rapidly reproduce by feeding on the sugar molecules in the vegetables. The longer kimchi ferments, the greater its health benefits and the higher the concentration of probiotics. However, for the probiotics to remain intact, real kimchi must be refrigerated and unpasteurized. During the fermentation of vegetables, probiotic lactic acid bacteria develop. While many bacteria are involved in the fermentation of kimchi, lab become the most dominant, suppressing less beneficial bacteria, partly due to the salting of the kimchi cabbage. The inclusion of sub-ingredients like garlic and ginger, along with the increase in lab during fermentation, ensures the safety of kimchi by eliminating pathogenic bacteria. In simple terms, this fermented food can promote regularity and aid in bowel movements. But its benefits extend beyond that. Probiotics have been utilized as a natural digestive treatment for over a century. Because beneficial probiotic bacteria strains help reduce harmful bacteria in the gut, which can lead to issues such as indigestion, inflammation, and hormone imbalances. Fermented foods are beneficial for individuals experiencing common digestive problems like constipation, as well as more severe conditions like Candida virus, leaky gut syndrome, and autoimmune disorders. Boosts immunity. Given that 70 to 80% of the immune system resides in the gut, kimchi, rich in probiotics, can bolster your ability to combat bacterial infections, viruses, common ailments, and even serious chronic conditions. Probiotic-rich kimchi has shown potential benefits in treating or preventing diarrhea, eczema, irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, Helicobacter pylori infection which causes ulcers, vaginal infections, urinary tract infections, recurrence of bladder cancer, infections of the digestive tract caused by Clostridium difficile, pouchitis, a potential complication of colon removal surgery. In addition to its probiotic content, kimchi is packed with ingredients that support healthy immune function. Similar to cayenne pepper, red pepper powder in kimchi exhibits anti-carcinogenic and antioxidant properties. Moreover, it possesses natural antibacterial qualities, aiding in food preservation and spoilage prevention. Garlic is recognized as an immune system enhancer that suppresses the activity of numerous harmful viruses, alleviates fatigue, and reduces inflammation. It has been revered as a longevity-promoting food for millennia. Similarly, ginger is a long-standing beneficial ingredient known for its ability to calm the digestive system, support gut health, combat bacteria, and accelerate recovery from illness. Kimchi cabbage, a cruciferous vegetable found in kimchi, boasts anti-inflammatory properties and is rich in antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, and K, along with other vital nutrients. Certain compounds like isocyanate and sulfide, present in kimchi cabbage and radishes, contribute to cancer prevention and aid in detoxifying heavy metals from the liver, kidney, and small intestine. Furthermore, kimchi offers additional benefits through the prebiotic fibers found in kimchi cabbage, radishes, and other ingredients, which can enhance immune function, particularly within the digestive organs. Rich in fiber. Kimchi predominantly consists of vegetables, which are rich in dietary fiber, promoting satiety and benefiting both digestive and heart health. Kimchi cabbage, in particular, is a noteworthy source of fiber. Despite its high volume, kimchi cabbage is low in calories and carbohydrates. Although the average fiber consumption among U.S. children and adults falls short of recommended levels, research indicates that individuals with higher dietary fiber intake have significantly reduced risks of developing coronary heart disease, stroke, hypertension, diabetes, obesity, and certain gastrointestinal disorders. Diets rich in high-fiber foods, particularly vegetables, are associated with lower blood pressure and serum cholesterol levels, improvements in blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity, and significant weight loss. By increasing fiber intake, individuals may consume less overall, as fiber expands in the stomach, absorbs water, and promotes feelings of fullness. Adding even small portions of kimchi into your diet can help meet your daily fiber needs while providing a beneficial dose of probiotics. Consider using kimchi as a healthy condiment in your favorite recipes. Low-calorie and appetite-controlling benefits. For many, incorporating fermented foods into their diet aids in curbing sugar cravings, enhancing digestion, and regulating appetite. Kimchi, being low in calories yet rich in nutrients and filling fiber, is particularly beneficial for those aiming for weight loss. Moreover, it may contribute to improved metabolic function, as its spicy red pepper flakes induce warming and thermogenic effects within the body. Probiotic supplements and foods are increasingly associated with reductions in weight and body fat. Research suggests that modifying the gut microbial ecosystem could be a novel approach in treating obesity. In the future, treatment options for addressing overeating and obesity may involve altering the microbial communities of individuals struggling with weight management. The relationship between probiotics and weight gain or loss is linked to the production of short-chain fatty acids and inflammation, which play crucial roles in influencing appetite, metabolism, and body weight. These mechanisms are closely tied to gut health. Therefore, identifying the most effective combination and dosage of probiotic microorganisms could potentially assist individuals in controlling cravings, regulating appetite hormones, and managing impulses to overeat. Rich in antioxidants with potential cancer-fighting properties, kimchi contains an abundance of anti-inflammatory foods and spices renowned for their cancer-fighting properties. These ingredients promote overall health, longevity, and reduce oxidative stress. For instance, various colors of cabbage offer a broad spectrum of essential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Additionally, garlic, ginger, radishes, red pepper, and scallions found in kimchi boast high levels of antioxidants, which aid in reducing inflammation. Consumption of anti-inflammatory foods is crucial for preventing chronic diseases linked to oxidative stress, including cancer, cognitive disorders, and coronary artery diseases. Potential risks and side effects. Like with any food, moderation is key, even with healthy options. Due to its high fiber and probiotic content, excessive consumption of kimchi may lead to gas or bloating. If you're new to kimchi, it's advisable to start with small portions to gauge your tolerance. Since salt is a component in kimchi preparation, individuals following a low-sodium diet should consult their healthcare provider before incorporating it into their meals.